In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Sharepoint. If you're working within an organization that uses Sharepoint, managing your documents and files efficiently by organizing them into folders can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Microsoft SharePoint. Press Enter, and this should bring up a list of search results. Click on the link that directs you to the official Microsoft SharePoint website. Once you're on the SharePoint site, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. This will lead you to the login page. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account configured, there's a chance you'll be signed in automatically. However, if that's not the case, simply enter your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account and then follow it up with your password. Ensure that the details you type in are correct to avoid any sign-in issues. After successfully signing in, the next step is to navigate to your specific SharePoint site. If your organization has multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Once you're on the right site, you need to locate the document library where you wish to create your new folder. Document libraries are integral parts of SharePoint, designed specifically for storing files. Now glance upwards to the top part of the document library. You will see the command bar, and from here, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on this button. It's going to bring up a drop-down menu, and within this menu, there will be several options available for you. Among those options, you will find one labeled Folder. Click on Folder to proceed to the next step. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear on your screen. Here, you'll have the opportunity to name your newly created folder. Take some time to think of an intuitive name that reflects the contents or purpose of the files you plan to store inside. Once you've come up with a suitable name for your folder, the final step is to click on the Create button. Doing so will complete the folder creation process. And there you have it. Your new folder is now ready to help you organize your documents efficiently within SharePoint. This simple process can make managing your documents in SharePoint much easier, allowing you to find and access your files quickly whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take full advantage of SharePoint's capabilities in your daily workflow.